The sky, a realm of boundless freedom, where the sun casts its golden light upon a tapestry of endless blue. Here, where the wind whispers ancient stories, resides a creature that embodies the very spirit of untamed power. The bald eagle. More than just a bird, it's a symbol etched in the heart of a nation, a creature of breathtaking beauty and fierce resilience. From the jagged peaks of Alaska to the tranquil wetlands of the eastern seaboard, the bald eagle presides, an undisputed monarch of the skies. This is not just the story of a bird, it's an epic of survival, a chronicle of adaptation, and a testament to the indomitable spirit of nature. Join us as we delve into the world of the bald eagle, exploring the depths of its majestic existence, the challenges it confronts, and the profound connection it holds with the land it calls home. Alaska, the very name conjures images of untouched wilderness, a land of towering mountains, ancient forests, and rivers teeming with life. It's a place where nature holds court, and the bald eagle reigns supreme. Among its many natural wonders, the Chilkat River holds a special significance. Nestled within a dramatic glacial valley, this powerful waterway attracts a congregation unlike any other, a gathering of eagles that defies belief. In the summer months, the river's current is alive with the frenzied activity of the salmon run. Thousands of these tenacious fish make their way upstream to spawn, creating a bounty that draws not only bears, but also the apex predator of the region, the bald eagle. From the high vantage points above, eagles scrutinize the water, their vision far surpassing that of any human. When they spot their quarry, they launch into a dive that is a study in precision and speed, talons extended like grappling hooks. The salmon, their bodies shimmering silver against the blue, are both a lifeline and a challenge. While bears may rely on brute force, the eagles employ a mastery of the aerial realm. Each swoop, each catch, is a demonstration of the eagle's remarkable hunting prowess, its ability to navigate both air and water with effortless grace. Yet, this abundance does not go unnoticed. Other players in this drama, from ravens to gulls, and even the occasional otter, all benefit from the salmon's generous offering. The Chilkat River is a microcosm of nature's interdependence, and it is here too, amongst this abundance, that the industrious beaver leaves its mark, shaping the landscape with its dams and lodges, creating a haven for many species, and subtly influencing the flow of life itself. The Chilkat is more than just a river, it is a vital artery, pulsing with life and energy. A place where the eagle's reign is both unchallenged and essential to the ecosystem. The bald eagle, scientifically known as Heliaetus leucocephalus, is a masterpiece of evolution, a creature perfectly designed for its role as an apex predator. Let's dissect this majestic hunter, unraveling the secrets behind its exceptional abilities. First, there are the eyes. Those golden orbs, set deep within a feathered brow, are windows to a world invisible to us. Their vision is far sharper than ours, perhaps 4 to 8 times more acute, enabling them to spot prey from vast distances with astonishing accuracy. Their eyes are equipped with a high concentration of cones, the light-sensitive cells that facilitate color vision and detailed perception. This allows eagles to see not only in great detail, but also in a wide range of colors, which helps them identify prey against diverse backgrounds. This extraordinary vision makes them masters of observation, able to analyze the slightest movements beneath the water or across the forest canopy. Then there is the beak, a powerful, hooked instrument designed to tear through flesh and bone with ease. Composed of keratin, the same material as our fingernails, it is both robust and precise, a vital tool for consuming their prey. Below, the eagle's legs culminate in talons curved, razor-sharp claws, capable of delivering incredible force. They are the ultimate tools for capture, ensuring that once prey is seized, it does not escape. And lastly, there are the wings, broad, expansive, and incredibly powerful, capable of propelling the eagle through the air with incredible speed and agility. Each feather, a masterpiece of engineering, is intricately designed to minimize drag and maximize lift. These feathers are not mere adornments, they are vital for the eagle's survival. They provide insulation, waterproofing, and the aerodynamic properties that make their flight so breathtakingly efficient. This combination of extraordinary adaptations has cemented the eagle's place at the apex of its food chain. But even in the most abundant landscapes, nature has a way of throwing a As autumn transitions into winter, the Alaskan landscape transforms. The once steaming river becomes a scene of ethereal beauty, as the crisp air and freezing temperatures give rise to an otherworldly display of frost and mist. Yet amidst this beauty, a hidden phenomenon unfolds. While most rivers freeze solid in these conditions, the Chilkat does not entirely succumb to the cold. The secret lies beneath the surface, with the volcanic activity that heats the spring water feeding into the chill belt, allowing sections of the river to remain ice. It's this unusual feature that creates the perfect conditions for the next act of the salmon's life cycle. They spawn and die, and in this mass die-off lies a feast of almost unimaginable proportions. The dead salmon, floating on the surface and lining the riverbeds, provide an easy meal, attracting bald eagles in staggering numbers. From across the region, and even as far away as the Pacific Northwest, eagles journey to the Chilkat, drawn to this bounty like moths to a flame. What was once a landscape of relative peace and quiet is now transformed into a bustling arena, where the air is thick with the sound of screeching birds and the constant splash of water as eagles dive for fish. This gathering is not without its drama. A rigid social hierarchy dictates who gets the first choice of meals. Fledglings, easily identified by their brown heads, must defer to their elders. The older birds, with their distinctive white heads and tails, claim prime feeding spots and can easily bully the younger birds away from their prizes. Yet, even this intense competition is part of the ecological balance. Each eagle has its place in this pecking order, and the abundance provided by the salmon ensures that despite the tensions, there is enough to sustain them all. The Chilkat River, in winter, becomes a vivid example of nature's generosity, even in the face of adversity. This gathering is not simply a feeding frenzy, it's a communal ritual, a crucial stage in the eagle's annual cycle. The winter gathering, however crucial, is but one part of the eagle's intricate life cycle. As spring begins to thaw the landscape, the eagles turn their attention to the next generation. They return to their chosen nesting sites, often in the same areas where they themselves were born. These are not mere nests, but rather elaborate structures, built year after year on the tallest trees in the landscape. These eyries can be immense, sometimes weighing a ton or more, and are a testament to the eagle's dedication to their young. The construction process is a labor of love, with each twig and sprig of grass carefully placed to form a secure and comfortable cradle for the next generation. Courtship is a spectacle all of its own, involving aerial displays, synchronized flights, and ritualistic exchanges of prey. It is in these moments that the bond between mating pairs grows stronger, a bond that will be essential for the long months of parenting ahead. The female eagle lays between 1 to 3 eggs. Their shells are speckled white, and for the next 35 to 40 days, both parents share the responsibility of incubation. One will keep the eggs warm while the other goes off to forage. When the chicks hatch, they are small and vulnerable, entirely dependent on their parents for survival. Over the next several weeks, the parents will tirelessly hunt for food, tearing it into small pieces for their ever-hungry offspring. The chicks grow rapidly, their bodies transforming from fluffy, vulnerable creatures into powerful, fledgling eagles. They begin to test their wings, learning to balance on the nest, before eventually taking their first tentative flights. Their journey's far from over, but with every flap of their wings, they become more adept at navigating the air, more prepared to take their place in the world. While the Chilkat River provides an extraordinary glimpse into the bald eagle's life, the species story extends far beyond the borders of Alaska. From the rugged coasts of the Pacific Northwest to the expansive lakes of the Midwest and the tranquil rivers of the eastern seaboard, the bald eagle has found a home in a diverse range of environments. Each habitat presents its own unique challenges and opportunities, shaping the eagle's behavior, hunting style, and dietary habits. In coastal regions, eagles learn to master the art of hunting fish from the sea, where they can navigate the turbulent currents and waves. On the shores of lakes, they often target ducks, geese, and other water birds, showcasing their ability to hunt a wide variety of prey. They have shown remarkable adaptability, thriving in environments that are wildly different from the glacial valley of the Chilkat River. Even in areas increasingly encroached upon by human development, the bald eagle demonstrates resilience, often nesting in areas near towns and cities, and even adapting to scavenge in the vicinity of human settlements. Its comeback from the brink of extinction is a testament to its adaptability, and also to the power of effective conservation measures. From the mid-20th century, when their populations were decimated by DDT and habitat loss, they have gradually recovered thanks to the banning of DDT, habitat protection and reintroduction programs. The bald eagle is a symbol of hope, showing us that even the most fragile of species can recover with the right human action. Despite their comeback, the bald eagle is not without its challenges. Habitat loss continues to be a major threat, with forests and wetlands, their traditional hunting grounds, being converted for human use. Pollution, including pesticides and heavy metals, continues to take its toll, and sadly, human conflict, in the form of intentional poisoning and unintentional collisions with vehicles and infrastructure, continue to present dangers. It is our responsibility to minimize these threats and work toward securing the eagle's future. Through the establishment of wildlife sanctuaries, the tracking of individual birds, and more sustainable environmental practices, we can continue to safeguard this extraordinary creature, educating our communities and fostering a sense of appreciation for the natural world are also essential for long-term survival. The story of the bald eagle is not just about one species, it is about the intricate web of life and the interdependence that binds us all together. It is a reminder that the fate of even the most powerful creatures can depend on the choices that we make. The bald eagle, the king of the skies, a testament to the resilience and beauty of the natural world. May it continue to soar for generations to come. May its story inspire us to act as stewards of our planet and to value the wildness that still remains. May its piercing gaze remind us of the responsibility we have to protect the world that is our home. The legacy of the bald eagle is not just a symbol of freedom, but a reminder of our connection to the natural world, and its future is inextricably linked to our own.